Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. And this phone gave you a 12 GB of RAM, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max gave you an Apple A14 Bionic chipset with the 6 GB of RAM. On the back, we get the quad cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra as compared to a triple cameras on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. And you can see how is the Apple A14 Bionic chipset stack up against the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. And guys, both phones is completely off. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And the logo, it is here much faster on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, it is running on Android 11. And you can see iPhone 12 Pro Max, it is much faster when it comes to booting up. And the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is take a lot of time with Android 11 software. And now the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, it is also done, and you can see huge difference between these two devices when it comes to booting up. And guys, you can see that, and both phones give you a very different display. We have Full HD Plus Super Retina XDR display on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, while the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra give you Quad HD Dynamic AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate display. And also we have an Infinity O display, which is also known as punch hole, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max give you a big Apple notch, and you can see. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And also we have the same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And guys, let me go to the settings, and now let me show you the Android version on both these two devices. And you can see guys, and my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, it is running on Android 11, which is the latest software from Android right now. And also we have a Samsung One UI 3.0 on this phone, while the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it is running on iOS 14.4. And also we have a same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer. Let me warm up. Here we go. And you can see that is really fast on both these two devices. And also animation, it is also feels really smooth on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra with 120Hz refresh rate display. But iPhone, it is also much smoother when it comes of the animation wise. Let's see settings, and that is again exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's see YouTube, and that is a little bit more faster on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra as compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra with 120Hz refresh rate display. Now let's see the Play Store versus App Store, and that is really fast on both these two devices, and you can see no difference there. So now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Here we go. We have a Apple A14 versus Snapdragon 865, and you can see iPhone 12 Pro Max, it is much faster as compared to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. And you can see huge difference when it comes of apps opening speed, especially in the games. So now let's see Subway Surfer, and let's see this time who is faster there. Here we go. And you can see iPhone 12 Pro Max, it is a little bit more faster. So now let's see the pinout on both phones. Here we go. Faster on the iPhone 12 Pro Max as compared to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Amazon shopping, and that is a little bit more faster on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels again much smoother on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra with 120Hz refresh rate display. Now let's see Instagram, faster on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra again. Now let's opening up the Twitter, and that is a little bit more faster on my iPhone 12 Pro Max as compared to the S20 Ultra. Spotify, faster on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Zedge, and that is more faster on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and you can see. And let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever, but feels more smoother. Netflix, and that is faster on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra again. Let's see Temple Run 2, launching at the same time, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. You can see that at the end Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, it is more faster there if I'm not wrong. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, it is a little bit more faster this time. Last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go. That is a little bit more faster on the iPhone 12 Pro Max as compared to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now let's take internet browsing speed. I am seeing default Samsung internet browser on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra as compared to a Safari internet browser on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, wikipedia.org, and that is a little bit more faster on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can see followed by the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the apple.com, and that is faster on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can see followed by the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Let's see the scrolling, and feels more smoother on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra with 120Hz refresh rate display, and everything it is really smooth on both phones, no issue whatsoever. And guys, now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and we have 12 GB of RAM on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra as compared to a 6 GB of RAM on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And now let's start off with the phone dialer. No refresh. Let's see settings. YouTube, you can see no refresh. Now let's see the store on both phones, no refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, Subway Surfer. Let's see Pinout, Amazon Shopping, and it is a in-app refresh on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Instagram. Now let's see the Twitter. That is again no refresh on both phones. Spotify, Zach, Netflix. Let's see Temple Run 2, and it is a refresh on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you can see, I don't know why. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see, and guys, overall I have to say regarding the apps opening speed, it is much faster on the iPhone 12 Pro Max as compared to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. And the RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, because this phone gave you a 12 GB of RAM, but iPhone gave you a 6 GB of RAM, and iPhone it is also performed really good with a 6 GB of RAM. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.